Hi, good morning. Welcome to Franchise India Show 2025. Please introduce yourself and your brand.
Sure. First of all, great show. We're really enjoying this. My name is Mehul. I am from Neiman Shoes and I lead the entire category lineup here. So, entire footwear is under me. We look after the overall digital business of the company.
Can you tell me what is the story behind this Neiman's name?
Yeah. So, Neiman's name is basically the combination of both of our founders' parents, their mother and their father, Neelam and Manjit. So, that merges into Neiman's.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's great. So, can you tell me there is a lot of competition for your particular industry in the market?
Right.
So, why should people go for Neiman's?
Right. So basically, the main customer pain point that is emerging a lot in India is people want a shoe that they can wear all day long, and that goes with a bunch of outfits as well as a bunch of different occasions. So people want something that they can wear to the office, then post that they can wear that for an outing with friends or family as well. So what are we trying to do is we're trying to design our products in a way that they're very fashionable, that you can wear to your office as well, that you can wear to a brunch with your colleagues, that you can wear with to an outing with your friends, and we're developing it in a way which makes it very very comfortable. We have our own patented technologies in our outsoles and insoles which makes our footwear very very comfortable. So what happens is the footwear is very light and flexible and you can wear them all day long. So we're expanding a lot into athleisure. Athleisure is basically sport shoes, walking shoes, running shoes, and we're also expanding a lot into loafers and oxfords category, which is semi formal. So we're catering to a large variety of mass. We appeal to a much mid premium segment, basically an audience which constitutes almost 80 to 85% of India, who want to have a great quality product but want to have it in an affordable price point. So that is where Neiman's comes in the entire footwear industry and footwear market.
And can you tell me what's the one unique selling point of Neiman's?
Right. So I'll tell you one very very unique thing about Neiman's. Okay. So we are big on sustainability, right? So what happens is in this world, fashion overall is a big carbon emitter. Okay, fashion world produces extreme amounts of CO2, and the production is not really that environment friendly. Let's just say. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to incorporate sustainable materials into our products. We have a product which is made from recycled plastic bottles. So 8 PET bottles are used to create that one shoe. We have a product lined up made from cork. Cork is a natural material. We have one lined up made from recycled tires. So we use a lot of recycled material, recycled mesh, recycled net in our footwear, so that whatever products we create, they have good impact on the environment and they don't harm the nature in any which way. So we're doing our part, let's just say, for the overall industry ecosystem and taking the market in a more future focused way. Yeah.
That's a really great initiative from Neiman's, and we enjoyed hearing your story. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you.